Good morning, hi there, my name is Lisa, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going holiday shopping. It's a shop I really enjoy. We're going off to the States in a few weeks and I like to be really organised. I don't like any last minute rushes. I think also because I work for myself, I end up working until the very last minute till we go, so I have to be organised weeks ahead. I don't want that last minute stress and I want to enjoy the whole holiday preparation as well as the holiday. To help me stay organised, I keep a holiday planning notebook, which I've done a video about before, how I set it up and how I use it. I will link up the video below in case you haven't seen it before. One of the sections I have the packing sections, but I also have to-dos. And one of my to-dos is shopping before we go. And then I've got all my lists here and then I highlight them as and when I've bought them. So I've gone through my list and made a separate list for today of what I want to buy. And on this list I've separated it into stores so I know exactly what I want and where. It just makes it so much easier when you're shopping and you go into a store and you know exactly what you're looking for. So today is very much an essentials holiday shopping day. I've got things like underwear for the kids. I do like to pick up underwear in Primark. It's super cheap, just plain cotton underwear, and I then pack the new underwear into the cases so it's one less thing to worry about. I don't have to worry about any last minute washing, that kind of thing. And also Holly's off to uni in September, so we're going to need lots of extra for that anyway. Also things, I've got our sunblock, but I need the kids sunblock. And we've got some toiletries and just a few other bits and pieces, and obviously if we see anything fun whilst we're out, clothes, that kind of thing, I'll take a look as well. So I hope you enjoy today's video and let's go shopping. Get to sample some free coffee whilst we were in Starbucks, and we did buy the sachets to take it away on holiday. We thought it would be a really good way of having nice coffee in the morning. We do have a little battery operated milk frother, so we thought it was a great way of having an early coffee fix whilst we're away. Right, let's do some holiday shopping. Well look, these little mini ones are quite good for taking away, aren't they? Mini torch.
Yeah. But do sell those in Superdrug.
They do. They're £1 though, obviously. That's a good price for the Head and Shoulders there. We've just seen healthy snacks for £1. Nuts.
It's 100 grams.
There's coated like the yogurt raisins. Seeds. These are really good actually. Pumpkin seeds, dried fruit,
bananas. The
cranberries. These cranberries as well, they're really good to add to muffins. I'm going to pick up some anti-bac wipes to take for the villa. I'm going to go for the lemon ones. This is a really good price, £2. It's meant for babies, but I shower with it last thing at night and it really helps with headaches. Babe, do we need this for holiday?
What? You know, like they do with the men's ones.
Mini toiletries for holiday. These are quite handy as well to take away. Pop your toiletries in. Mini first aid kit, sweet. You know, this place actually is ideal. You know, when you want to grab little toys for the plane when your kids are a little younger?
Yeah.
That'd be quite a good idea. And sticker books and things like this actually. You think for £1?
Yeah.
The little scribble thing, I think that's ideal. There's a whole travel section here. Neck pillows. I wonder if they do packing cubes. Actually, do you know this is a good idea? The beach bags for your wet swimmers to keep them separate. Vacuum bags, travel set. There.
So you roll them up to get them out and you seal them.
You've got the little fans, clothes hangers. There's some really good ideas actually. You've got your travel adapters, luggage scales. And obviously everything's £1. You've got your padlocks, flight socks. I'm really impressed actually, aren't you? You've got toys as well if you want to take the toys on holiday. Something like this for the pool. You've got drinks holders.
I'm alright, thank you.
Yeah? Right, we're going to grab...
There's 31 in here.
These are perfect for taking away. £10 for... Sorry, £1 for 10 dishwasher tablets. Should we get some bits for the plane?
Like the
Want things that aren't so silly. They may be teenagers, but they still like treat bags to go on the plane with. We always take Marmite on holiday with us. Sunglasses. $24.99, the one that we want. I'm sure we got it cheaper last time when we went away.
Big one, isn't it?
Yeah. Really cute Mickey ones.
All members of Department 8 report to Department 8. All members of Department 8.
What about the mini baseball cap?
I don't think. Quite like it.
Do you?
Not sure.
I can't see you in a Jurassic Park t-shirt for £6. I do have a question for you. Do we need an inflatable dinosaur for the holiday?
Yes. How big is it?
I don't know.
I hope it's really big.
It looks so cool. We could take it to Jurassic Park with us. Can you imagine on the water rides?
On the balcony.
Yeah. Would you blow it up?
Yeah, how big is it?
I don't know though.
It's only about 12 inches, it's a bit pointless.
I don't know. Can you see?
It's
It's probably quite small actually, isn't it? Yeah, I don't think that would be great on the balcony. I wouldn't have thought to come here for travel bits actually, but I'm noticing quite a few bits and pieces. There's quite a few bits over here as well.
There's a magnetic shopping list here. That's your kind of thing, it's like got hearts on it.
Yes. Oh, these digital luggage, not that we need any, but these look quite good. £4. They're really good actually, those. I do like our digital scales and I wouldn't go on holiday without them now.
And spare battery.
Yes, yeah, that's a good idea. Pointless having them if you haven't got the battery.
There's something like that for hand luggage. If you know it's only going hand luggage.
Yeah, I really like the ice lolly moulds. Have you seen them?
Yeah.
They're really cool. How much are those?
See the little bowls above?
£5. Oh, I
Little
love
sweet
those.
bowls.
Yes, should we get some of those?
Yes.
How much are they?
They're free.
£5. Oh, we don't really need them, do we?
No, but you think maybe...
Stick Mickey Mouse stirrers. What have you seen? Oh, the tumblers. They're really nice. I'm going to pick up some towels for uni whilst we're here. It's quite a nice colour selection, actually. Holly's opted for grey. Do you think they will be dark enough? She wanted dark grey. These ones are nice, aren't they? It's an eel one as well. How much are those?
Oh, don't know.
Oh, there's a price here.
£6.
Oh, a really good price actually. I love my Mickey Mouse one. So I hope you've enjoyed the shopping and enjoyed having a wander with us. I thought I would just go through with you some of the things that we've bought from this shopping trip, but also from other shopping trips leading up to the trip. These are what I class as essentials. One of the things that I didn't buy on the trip, but I bought last year and I bought again this year, is anyone else suffer with bug bites? This, it's from Avon and it's called Skin So Soft. I believe it's not solely used for bug bites, but it comes highly recommended. I am the one in the family that always gets bitten, and I'm talking huge, massive red sore bites. One year I was really scared I'd have to be hospitalized. It was so bad. We ended up at the pharmacy. From my ankle right up to my knee was swollen. It was throbbing and tight. It was so sore. So last year I started using this. I had a few little red kind of bumps, but nothing that was itchy, nothing that was sore. And the nice thing about this stuff, it doesn't smell of chemicals. It just has a really clean, nice smell. I don't have a local Avon representative that I'm aware of, so I googled it online, and I actually bought mine on Amazon, no, on eBay from a seller. It was 2 packs of this, also 2 bottles of this for $6.99, and that was free delivery as well. So I highly recommend buying this. The other essential, as I showed you in the video, is this suntan lotion. It's really, really good. Again, we used it for the first time last year. We buy the 30 for us. It's $9.95 in Primark, which is the best price. I've seen it online. Obviously, Google it and have a look, as prices always do vary. I have bought the kids Factor 50. And that was a bit more expensive. It was quite pricey in the shops when I was looking around, so I've come home and I've ordered it again on eBay, and theirs, I believe, was £15. But I think it was a larger one than this one. But they have the 50, and it's supposed to be 10 hours. I didn't reapply it in the parks. We had it on all day. I did reapply it in the water parks just in case, but we didn't have any sore shoulders or anything last year, and that was going in August. So again, for us, this worked really well. Something else I class as an essential, again, I showed this in the video, dishwasher tablets. We have, we've got a couple of houses that we're staying in, and also a condo in Florida. And so I am taking, I've worked out with it away for 25 days. So I am taking 20 tablets. So I've got 2 boxes of these, and in Poundland, they are £1 for 10. So I am taking these. Toothbrushes. I always buy a pack of toothbrushes, 75p from Primark, and we just bin them when we're done with them. Sometimes I even, for example, this time I've got a pack for the road trip and a pack in the suitcase, just in case one of the suitcases goes missing. You just never know. So for 75p, we've got a couple of packs in different suitcases, and again, I won't leave them there. Sorry, I won't bring them home. They will be thrown away there. They're also really good. I keep these as spares in the house, actually, for if ever we've got guests. The amount of times the kids have friends over and they've forgotten a toothbrush, they're really good to have as emergency toothbrushes. Underwear. I buy the kids socks for holiday. I do buy underwear, new underwear from Primark before we go, load it into the suitcases so I'm not chasing up socks and pants and things like that before we go. I've got a few packs of these, white and black for the kids, $1.80 for 5 pairs of socks. Like I said, I've got them in black and white. It's a really good price. And pants as well for Holly and I. Again, I will buy Primark. It's 4 packs for £2. I've got white sets and black sets, and they obviously match then with your bras. And again, they're just so cheap. Throw them in the case before you go. I've bought several packs of these, and I've also bought Louis. He's still in boys, although he's 16. He's tiny, so I buy kids trunk pants, and again, they're really cheap, so I just throw them in the case before we go, and they're just easy to pack because I like to pack sort of 3 weeks before we go, so it's easily done. I did pick up some sunglasses in Primark. My husband paid £400 for his prescription, I must admit. I paid £2 for mine, and it came with a little pouch. Aid also bought Oakley sunglasses last year, non-prescription again. I think they're about £200, and he even had to pay extra for his case. Primark, they throw it in for £2. Something I haven't bought this time, but I did mention on the shopping trip, luggage scales. We would not go without ours. They did sell them in Primark for £4. And again, as my husband said, actually, don't forget your spare batteries. We were that embarrassing family one time in Disney Springs repacking our luggage. I used to work for an airline at Heathrow, so I've seen it many a time when you've got people there with their cases out repacking things. That was us. And it's a nightmare trying to guess your weight on the way back. Never again. We would never go without our luggage scales now. They are a must for every trip. Something else from Primark. Get your t-shirts from there. I've got loads of Disney t-shirts. This particular one is actually from Disney Springs. But these, we've got loads and loads of t-shirts from Primark. This one is £6 that I bought for Louis for this year. They are authentic. This is obviously a Jurassic Park one, but the Disney ones are authentic. The one thing we like about the t-shirts from Primark, they're really nice and thin. This is an authentic one from Disney. It's really thick. I don't tend to wear it in the parks in the summer. It's too thick. I don't think I wore it at all last year, so I'm not going to take it this year. The Primark ones are really nice and thin. So on those hot days when it's over 100 degrees, you don't want a thick t-shirt on in the parks. Plus, when you're washing out in the States, it dries nice and quickly as well. I did buy a few bits of clothing. I've bought this little top from Next. It's a longer top. I thought it would go really nice. I've got some plain denim shorts from Primark again. They're £6, and I quite like a long floaty top over the top. I will have a little vesty top underneath, but I really like this, and it's got a silver thread through it. Just about see, and that's £16 from Next. For me, it's floaty. I like floaty things, not clingy things. And I've also bought for this year a new vesty top from New Look. It's got a little pretty bit at the back. I placed a New Look order recently when there was a sale on. So I think I paid about £7 for this, but it's $9.99 and comes in different colours. I also bought a new pair of shorts. We've been going now to the States for a long time, and for the first time last year since I think since I was 21, I wore shorts. I haven't worn shorts for so long. But I bought these from New Look. Again, I placed them when they were on sale. They were $19.99 originally, and I think I got them for $13.99. I love that bow on the front, but they're quite floaty. I hate that feeling when you're getting off a ride and you're kind of really conscious that either your skirt's caught up. I did walk through one of the Disney resorts, one of the quick service, with my skirt tucked in my knickers last year. I didn't realise until I just got to our table, and it was busy. It was lunchtime. It was French Quarters. We were buying, or we were eating beignets. And yes, I did do that. So I'm very conscious of wearing skirts. So shorts, you don't have that problem, but I really like these. And there's a little pocket, and I just think they're really cute, and it looks like I'm wearing a little skirt when I'm wearing them. I have also bought new shorts from Primark this year. These are like a linen one. They need a bit of an iron. I bought them in black as well. And again, they've got the tie at the front. They are £6. They come in different colours, but again, they look like I'm wearing a little skirt. I quite like that, but you can dress them up or dress them down. And talking of Primark shorts, I have bought a few pairs for Louis. This is one particular pair. They're chino style. Boys shorts. These are age 12 to 13 years, and they're £4.50. And they even have the adjustable waistband, which I love. Like I said, Louis 16 and a half. He's a very 16 kid, a very skinny kid. So adjustable waistbands are the way forward for Louis. It's the only way. So we've picked up some really good bargains. So I really hope that's helped. Do check out Primark and Poundland for their travel sections. There's some really good things and obviously really good prices. You don't always have to spend a fortune. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope it's helped you. We are starting to pack today, so there will be packing videos coming up. I've also got some how to plan your road trip videos coming up, and lots more planning videos before the big trip vlogs start. So please do subscribe if you don't already. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up if you've got an exciting trip coming up this summer. Leave me a comment, tell me where you're going. I would love to know. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon.